Dogman. I have no idea what this is. Let's find out. I'm going to open it up. Oh, wow. It's a big, giant, like, thing. Oh, it comes with a some type of attachment thing that you can put into the ceiling and hang it from, or the wall. Set that down. It's got some notes on it. I don't know. Well, let's get rid of that. Let's take a look at it, see what it is. It should be interesting, right? Oh, there it is. Well, it goes this way. All right, so I think we got to plug it in. It comes with a USB-A, so you just got to plug that into something, and then we turn it on. All right, hang on. Let me get it. Let me plug it in. It's got a long cord, too. I mean, you can unhook it. I'm going to leave it hooked together. Let's just go ahead and get it plugged in. Oh, wow, I got it. Look. Dogman. The Dogman. All right, now it's got a little connector here. So I don't know what it does, but it's got an on button right here. Right, watch. So it's off. It's on. Now it's got this, which I can make it super bright, or I can make it like less. So you can get whatever brightness that you want on it. Let's make it bright. I'm not quite. I guess you can, put it up on the wall. The kids would like it, but you do have to plug it into some source of, a block. I have a block that I've got it plugged into. I plug all my stuff into. But that's Dogman right there, man. So yeah, it's the Dogman. It's kind of cool. You know what I mean? It feels like rubber here, and this is all the plastic side. So you could just put it in a window, and then people would go, look, there's the Dogman. You see? This is like rubber feeling. When I touch it, I can squeeze it. It's like soft. And it does give off a lot of light, so it would be useful as a light. I gotta say, check out the Dogman. Woo! All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this.